until it's a dim down a notch. Cause I can name some things that I'm gon' do. Wow.
Hi guys, thank you for joining me. ShanaJRay. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new, hello, please subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy my video. But today I wanted to go ahead and do a little short video on doing my nails. I have not had my acrylic nails in a few months with all the moving around and everything like that. Like I mentioned in my vlog, I'll link that above here. If you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and watch that as well. But when I was in Walgreens today, I actually stumbled upon the Kiss dip kit. So this is a Kiss lightning speed acrylic dip kit. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. I've watched a bunch of tutorials on it, and like I said, I used to do the gels. I'm hoping I can kind of get the hang of this one so I can get this to be a very nice set. I actually saw another lady do it. The first one I ever saw, the first tutorial I've ever seen on this kit, I saw the updated video for hers, and she said it lasted her about 2 weeks until they were getting like really scuffed and nasty and everything like that. And that's perfect. I get at least a good week, and then the second week, they might start teetering. That's fine. I usually try to keep them up though. So we're gonna see how this goes. Stay tuned if you want to see me do my nails with this. Alright, so what do we have in this pack here? So it comes with the acrylic, the glue, also is a top coat, and then a spray on type of sealant or like hardener. And then I just grabbed some extra glue. I like that glue a lot better. A little brush to dust off the glitter that I'm going to use as nail polish. You have to actually attach the top part, the little spray part. And I'm just separating everything out. It comes with a few nails that I used. I also like to buy extra nails because sometimes all these nails don't always fit me, but that's fine. I like to line them all up so I can get ready to place them all. After sizing them makes it easier. That glue lasts forever. I love it so much. It's like 3 seconds to drying time. So then I just finished gluing all of them on first. I like to glue all the nails onto my nails first before I start doing anything else. Then I go in with scissors and clip them. It's a lot easier to clip them with scissors than with the nail clippers, especially to shape the edges. I was going for like a coffin ballerina shape, so it's so much easier if you can get like a pair of really small scissors and just snip it away. It's just really, really fast. And I try to clip them down exactly how I need them and then file later so that I can get the proper shape, because they're not going to look perfect when you clip them. They're going to be all lopsided and whatnot. So that's them clipped. Then I go in there and I file them. I bought a separate file for this because the file that comes in the thing is like not always great. This one's so much faster and easier to work with. Oh, we've got little hands jumping in under there. Always trying to be in my videos, of course. And I am a particular about how I file them. So I go in there and I file. I do cut them a little bit longer than I want them to be because I'm going to file them down. So always probably clip them like a 1/4 of an inch longer than you want them, because that's going to take up all the filing. That's how they look after I filed them. I like to file the top down so that it's actually smooth. The nail bed isn't sticking up. The little nail end of the tip isn't sticking up. It makes for a better application. Now, I start off, this is supposed to be dip nails, but my nails are way too long, so I do it this way. First, you have to start off with the top coat, which is also kind of like the glue. You can actually use any paint-on glue if you have that and you like lose this one or it dries out. And then I actually pour the acrylic onto the nail because my nails are so long for the little tub that it comes in that I just thought this would be easier. And when I tried to dip one, it like pushed the acrylic weird. Then I go in and I dust it off with that little brush after I've let it cure a little bit with the acrylic on there. And that makes for a smoother application yet again. So then you go right back over that, one more coat of the glue, then you dust back on the acrylic, and of course you just sprinkle it right back off. And that is 1 or 2 coats of the acrylic. They look pretty good. Then you go back over it. I like to do 2 to 3 coats before I do the sealing process. So it tells you on the instructions to go ahead and paint over each one and then spray it instead of the one at a time. So then you can just put one massive spray on all of them all together. And you just spray like that. And then you have it sealed and hardened. You can go back over and file. I noticed that it comes in kind of like, I can't explain it. It kind of like roughs it up. So this is a perfect time to actually file any kind of imperfections down. And then you'll be good with smooth nails. And then you go back over and seal it with 1 coat of the that same sealing glue stuff that you paint on, but I missed that step in the filming process. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, that's the last step. After you've sealed it with the little thing, you can go back over again or go back over and do the spray again. So now I'm gonna do like a glitter top coat or make a glitter top coat. So I just go in and I paint it with top coat first. Then I use my sprinkle glitter and I just dump it on top of each nail. And I wait for it to dry a little bit, tap it off into the paper, because then I can just keep dumping it back into the tube and sprinkling it back onto my nails as I go along. That way I can just reuse it over and over and over, and it doesn't get the glitter all nasty. Once that dries a little bit, you can go right back over that and do another coat of clear polish and then another dusting of the glitter. Then I sealed it with a top coat of the clear nail polish, and then I was done. Well, I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And tell me what videos you want to see next down in the comments. And let me know if you've tried this and how you feel about it, and if I missed anything in there. Thank you so much. Bye.
Wow.